So trust in Allah. Why do we break trust? Why do we become disheartened? People start talking about suicide. People go towards depression thinking that it cannot happen. Hey, Hazrat, don't you know the problem is very big? Surely no matter how big your problem is, the power of my Lord is bigger than that. My Lord's gaze is filled with mercy. Your problems can be solved. All you need is real faith. Allama Iqbal, the poet of the East, said that if even today one is born with the faith of Ibrahim, there is only one condition. That kind of faith is needed. If even today one is born with the faith of Ibrahim, fire can create a style and a garden can be born.